StoriesGamesAndMore.com.
Hi, welcome back to Zoom Snippets. There are so many other features that we haven't explored yet together, so let's begin. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate and talk about how to start a meeting, scheduled meetings, and recurring meetings. So let's start with starting a meeting. After you open Zoom, click on New Meetings. That immediately starts a meeting. Then there is one drop down of options I want to share with you first. So after you click the arrow next to New Meeting, it gives you these options. So take a look at them. Using your personal meeting ID is something completely separate, so I want you to ignore that for now. I'm going to talk about that when I show you scheduled meetings. Anyway, so you have the option of beginning this meeting without with your video. As I said previously, you start the meeting by clicking the orange New Meeting button. So now we can move on to scheduled meetings. First, I want to talk about the difference between starting a regular meeting and starting a recurring meeting. A recurring meeting means that you can use the same ID many times, meaning it's the easier way to deal with situations where you need to have a meeting very often. This feature allows you to send the same ID repeatedly to people to reuse. And now I'm going to show you how to access this option. Alright, so here I have Zoom. You want to click on Schedule to start a scheduled meeting. Here you can choose a specific date and time. Here you can choose the name of your meeting. You can choose the duration here. If you have a free plan with 3 or more participants, as it says here, you have a 40-minute time limit only. So you cannot exceed 40 minutes with 3 participants or more. Then over here you can choose to have Zoom generate the meeting automatically, or to use your personal meeting ID, which is an automatically generated meeting by Zoom. This is a recurring meeting which you can use again and again. And that's the features of the personal meeting. It works the same as a recurring meeting. So if you click recurring meeting, it removes all the schedule options. So it schedules a meeting for a certain date and time. When you click recurring meeting, this means you can use your meeting ID repeatedly, as I said before. Here you can change the password. You have a couple of more options here. You can click on other calendars to stop it from opening Google Calendar or Outlook automatically, but that's not really necessary to look at right now. Here you just click other calendars, and it just gives you all the information to copy to a clipboard. Here's the advanced options. You can take a look at these. When it's done, you schedule the meeting, and it gives you all this information. Now here you have the automatically generated link, which is what most people look for when they're doing a Zoom meeting. When you use this automatically generated link, it allows the participants to join the meeting without requiring a password. So here you have the meeting ID and the password, which is what you are required to use when you're joining without a link. So that's the information. Another way to access your meeting to start it after you've created it is click over here and press the start button on your new schedule after you click the new scheduled meeting button. Alright, so that's all you need to know for scheduling a meeting. Alright, so that was how to schedule a meeting. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this makes Zoom easier for you to use. Stay tuned for the next snippet. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.